Once upon a time, in a picturesque mountain village, lived a young rock climber named Alex. The towering cliffs that surrounded the village had always intrigued Alex, but fear held them back from pursuing their passion for rock climbing. One day, a renowned rock climber visited the village to hold a workshop. The news spread like wildfire, and Alex couldn't resist the opportunity to learn from the best. With trembling hands, they signed up for the workshop, hoping to conquer their fear and take the first step toward their dreams. The day of the workshop arrived, and Alex stood before the massive rock wall, nerves threatening to consume them. The seasoned climber leading the workshop noticed Alex's apprehension and offered a reassuring smile. "Remember, fear is natural," the climber said, "but it's also a challenge to be conquered. Embrace it, and it will guide you to your inner strength." With these words, Alex took a deep breath and started their ascent. The climb was tough, and fear tried to take control at every step, but Alex refused to give in. They focused on each handhold and foothold, pushing their boundaries with determination and perseverance. As they climbed higher, the fear began to dissipate, replaced by a sense of exhilaration and achievement. The village below looked smaller with each passing moment, and Alex felt a newfound sense of freedom and confidence. Reaching the top of the cliff, a rush of triumph washed over Alex. They had faced their fear and conquered the challenge that had held them back for so long. The applause from the workshop participants echoed through the mountains, a testament to Alex's courage and determination. From that day forward, Alex continued to embrace the challenges of rock climbing. With each climb, they faced new fears and overcame them, learning valuable lessons about persistence, trust in oneself, and the importance of stepping out of one's comfort zone. As word of Alex's achievements spread, they became an inspiration to others in the village. Soon, more villagers took an interest in rock climbing, following Alex's example of facing fear head-on and embracing challenges with a positive mindset. The young rock climber's journey of self-discovery and growth showed the entire village the power of determination and the importance of pushing past fears to achieve greatness. Alex's story became a legend, encouraging others not only to take up rock climbing, but also to apply the same lessons of courage and perseverance to overcome challenges in all aspects of life. And so, in the village surrounded by majestic cliffs, Alex's legacy lived on, a reminder that facing fear with unwavering determination could lead to overcoming challenges and achieving dreams beyond imagination.